one pastry per bag. Not like Pop-Tarts where you get 2 in a bag. So it would be 2, 4, 6, 8. You get 4. You only get 4 of a flavor. I'm telling you right now, these better like wow us. Jada wants untoasted. So we're going to do one not toasted and one toasted. And we're going to try the PB&J first. And then we're going to do the strawberry. Jada doesn't like it. It tastes like a Fig Newton bar. That's uncooked. The Fig Newton bars.
Yeah, I think that's what they are.
Yeah.
The little bars
Yeah,
with Fig in
the
it.
gel.
The jelly.
All right, go ahead. This is the warmed up peanut butter and jelly Pop-Tart.
That tastes a little better. No.
I didn't get a single ounce of peanut butter or jelly in this.
That tastes way better.
How much you paid for them?
I paid $25 for 4 boxes.
Get your money back.
That
So
tastes better than the Coke.
it tastes better warmed up than cold.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like peanut butter?
It doesn't taste like peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah, it's the consistency of peanut
Yes,
butter.
well, because I know that I watched I watched all those TikTok videos,
That's like something
and they all say how delicious this tastes. Oh my God, it's off the chain.
Yeah,
That does not, as you hear from my family, these are my kids, this peanut butter and jelly does not taste good. It tastes like a Fig Newton bar, and then when you heat it up, it tastes something like jelly. You don't have to gel.
You gotta make sure that people hear it.
And it tastes like maybe a little bit of peanut butter and jelly, but not really. It's not that pungent. All right, so now it's time to try the straw. Here's the strawberry one. It looks interesting. So we're going to heat it up now. Final about the Pop-Tarts. Keela,
I like the peanut butter ones.
Judah, Jada,
Oh my goodness.
They were good.
Taiwan.
I didn't mind them. They weren't bad.
Okay.
I will eat them again. I need you to avoid.
Everybody will eat them again. What did you think of them?
I mean, I'll eat them because they're here, but I prefer regular popcorn also.
Okay. There you heard it. From my family to you, they're not that great, and they're not worth whatever the price is that they're asking.
Wow.